Hi friends, welcome to Saujanyas Competitor Study Circle. Today let us learn about the Prime Minister. The oath of Prime Minister will be administered by President. And the oath is that he will be with a true faith and allegiance to Constitution. The oath of Prime Minister will be administered by President, and that oath is that oath of office as well as secrecy. Oath of office. Oath of office is that he will be be with a true faith and allegiance towards the Constitution and discharge the duties with true faith. He'll be discharging her duties with true faith, and he will be having a faith and allegiance towards the above the Constitution, and will discharge the rights to all the people. Oath. Oath of the Prime Minister will be administered by the President, and his oath is the oath of office as well as the secrecy, and it will be administered by the President. He will be with the true faith and allegiance towards the Constitution and discharge the duties with the true faith, and he is the one which will be doing a right to all the people without any ill will, favor. He'll be discharging a right to all the people without any favor or ill will. According to that above the Constitution and law, he'll be discharging that above the duties. He'll be with the true faith and allegiance towards the Constitution and discharge the duties with the true faith and due right to all the people without any ill will or a favor according to the Constitution and then that above the law. And he should have uphold the sovereignty and integrity of a country. Uphold the sovereignty and integrity of a country. Integrity of her country, he should hold the sovereignty and integrity of a country. This is about the oath of office. And oath of secrecy. Oath of secrecy. Oath of secrecy is that he will not discharge anything that will be enclosed to him. He will not tell anything brought under his consideration. Brought under his consideration, he will not be telling. He will not tell to any of the people that has been brought under to his consideration, either directly or indirectly to any of the person, unless he has to discharge his duties as that minister. He will not be telling anything to any person until he will be discharging a duty as that minister. He should not tell anything that has been brought under to his consideration to any of the person. That is about his oath of secrecy. And his term. There is no fixed term about the Prime Minister. He will be staying in the office until he enjoys the pleasure of the President. Until he enjoys the pleasure of the President, he will be remaining in the office, and there is no fixed term. That means that the President cannot remove that above the Prime Minister at any time unless he loses the confidence. Unless he loses the confidence in Lok Sabha, he will not be removed by that above the President. If he loses the confidence, he has to resign immediately, or the President will be removing him as a Prime Minister. Until what is about the term? There is no fixed term. Until he enjoys the pleasure of the President, he remains in the office. When if he loses that above the confidence in that above the Lok Sabha, then the President will remove him, or he has to resign to that above the Prime Minister post or the office. This is about his term. And his salary. The salary will be fixed or by Parliament. The Parliament will be dealing with that about the salary of Prime Minister. He will be paid as a member of Parliament. The member of Parliament, what salary the member of Parliament gets, that salary will be paid to that above the Prime Minister. And apart from it, he will be getting that above the free accommodation, medical allowances, travel allowances, and sumptuary allowances. Salary is will be the salary details all will be dealt by that above the Parliament, and the Prime Minister will be paying with that above the salary that what the member of the Parliament is being paid. and the salary along with that above the salary. Additionally, he will be getting the free accommodation, the medical allowances, the travel allowances, and the sumptuary allowances. In 2001, the sumptuary allowance has been increased from 1500 to 3000 for a prime minister. So far we learnt about the appointment of the prime minister, his oath, his term. His term has not been a fixed term. Until he enjoys the pleasure, he will be remaining in that above the office. If he, that means the president cannot remove him whenever he requires. If he loses the confidence only, and that time the president will be removing him, or the prime minister can resign for his office. Salary is not fixed. He will be paid as a member of how much the salary the member of parliament will be paid. He'll be getting that. Along with that, he is going to have these allowances. And sumptuary allowance has been increased in 2001 from 1500 to 3000. This is about today's class. If you like my class, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel. If this is the first time, if you are visiting my channel, please hit the bell icon, so that if any video has been done by future, that is going to come directly to you as a notification. Thank you.